Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping both the stockings and your skin. Wash and fully dry the sock so the elastic grips instead of slipping. Once done, turn each stocking inside out to the heel and slide your foot in, aligning the seam. Make sure your skin is clean and oil-free. A quick pat with a towel or a light dusting of talc or anti-slip powder helps. You'll feel the stocking seat evenly. Now pull it up slowly to the lower calf using both hands, smoothing as you go. You're now at the middle phase, securing the stocking so it won't roll. With gentle, even upward tension, continue pulling the fabric up over the calf. Avoid sudden jerks that overstretch elastic. As you raise it, smooth any wrinkles downward toward the knee so the band at the top sits flat. If your stockings have a silicone strip, press firmly into the skin. If not, consider a thin medical adhesive strip or specialized stocking garter to add grip. Take a moment. You finish by confirming the top band lies flat and comfortable. Flex your ankle and take a few steps to test for movement. If the stocking begins to roll, remove and reseat it, pressing any silicone band firmly. Once done, add a thin strip of medical adhesive or a soft garter designed for compression socks. If slipping persists, replace stretched-out stockings with the correct compression grade and size. One troubleshooting tip: if pressure causes discomfort, stop and reassess size, or consult.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.